Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I'm excited to talk to you about this awesome product from a company called UNBREAKcable. And yeah, that's unbreak and then cable on the end because they make really awesome cables and power supply cables. And this is no exception. This is a car charger for your iPhone as well as an additional device. This is a really awesome product. One thing I love about it is it's 32 watts total. The iPhone charger part, which is a built-in cord, is 20 watt PD, so that's power delivery, and that means you will get the fastest charging possible for your iPhone by plugging it into this. It is M5 certified, so it will work great with your iPhone. But that's not all. It does have an additional USB port because, let's face it, most of us have something else to plug in and charge. We need to be charging or powering when we're driving. And so this has an additional USB port that is 12 watts. So you're getting the 20 watt PD charge through the iPhone charger, which is the main use, but then you get that additional 12 watt USB charging port so you can plug other devices into that. What else is cool about this is it has this nice coiled cord. And when you're not, when you don't need a long length, then you got about a little over a foot of length. So it gets really short. But if you need it to be really long, then it gets up to 5 feet long. So you can reach a long ways from the charger to charge something. And then guess what? When you are no longer using it like that, it coils right back up so that it stays out of the way. I love those kind of cords because you have the length if you need it, but you don't have this long cord just going all over your car because it's, you know, it stays 5 feet. You don't have to worry about that with this. With this, you can get the 5 feet when you need it. When you don't need it, it drops back down to just being a little over a foot, which is great. A couple of other cool things. It does have this really nice carbon fiber print around the outside rim. So that's really nice style. Looks really good. And then it has this very subtle sort of amber glow ring around the face. So it's very easy to find. If you have this plugged in and you're needing to plug something into that USB port, it's easy to see even at night because it has that just nice soft glow. It's not extremely bright or anything, but it's just nice subtle glow. So looks really cool, but also has a practical purpose of helping you find the USB port if you need to plug something into it. The charger itself, once you plug that in, it stays in really nice and firm. No issues there. Just works really great. A really excellent iPhone car charger from UNBREAKcable. Again, 32 watts total. You got your 20 watts of PD power for your iPhone for fast charging any iPhone or iPad or any other Lightning device. And then you got your 12 watt USB port for other devices. Definitely an excellent product by UNBREAKcable. If you're looking for a car charger for your iPhone, then this is definitely a product that I would recommend. That is going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in this product, share the video with them. All those ways are down there. If you have any questions, just post them down in the comments below. I will do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. Don't forget to favorite this playlist or subscribe to my channel so you can keep up with future product reviews. That is going to be it until next time, so be safe and be happy.